Welcome to DriveX, powered by Cronysoft. Our trained data entry team handles your purchase orders and invoices, helping keep your cost and prices up to date. In this video, we'll quickly show you how to send documents and contact our team when needed. Sending us a document takes seconds. In your back office, open DriveX and click Upload. Drag your file in or click Browse to pick it. PDFs, photos, Word, Excel, and more all work. A photo from your phone is perfectly fine as well, as long as the whole page is visible and readable. Even easier, every store now gets its own DriveX email address. You'll see yours in the banner at the top of your DriveX screen, and also in the settings under DriveX Setup. Email a document to that address and it lands straight in your DriveX. Better yet, give the address to your vendors and their invoices arrive before the truck does. The address is unique to your store, so your documents never mix with anyone else's. Each document has a category. For purchase orders and vendor invoices, choose PO. That sends it straight to the data entry team. Other paperwork, like permits or bank statement, has its own category too, so everything you store in DriveX stays organized. One thing makes all the difference. A readable document send every page, especially the totals page. Keep it flat and well lit, and make sure all four corners are in the shot. If we can read the item, numbers, quantities, cost, and the totals, we can enter it right the first time, with no back and forth. Send documents as soon as you get them. The sooner they reach us, the sooner we process them, and the sooner your cost, margins, and shelf price are up to date. You always know where your document stands. To do means we received it. Processing means our team is working on it right now. Completed means it's done, entered and verified in your back office. And if a document ever comes through unreadable, we'll mark it as rejected and leave you a note telling you exactly what to resend. We never guess with your numbers. We keep you in the loop by email. From do not reply at mail.cronysoft.com. Add it to your contact so it never lands in your spam. You'll get a confirmation each time a document arrives. And whenever our team adds a note, work is finished, or a question, you'll get a new DriveX Note email. It shows the document details, a download file button, and our message. Want to answer? Just hit the reply button. Your answer goes straight back to the data entry team. The whole conversation also lives in the Notes panel on the document in your DriveX, so nothing gets lost. Every store is different, so tell us how you want your purchase orders handled. Cost only? We enter cost and you review and commit. Retail update? We also update prices and you commit. Or full processing? We set retails from your margin goals and commit for you. So everything's done when you open your back office. Tell us once and it becomes your store's standing instruction. That's it. Upload it or email it, and we take it from there. Thank you for choosing Cronysoft. Go ahead and send us your first document today. We're ready.